Well, welcome back to math. Today we are exploring mean. Just wait till you see what this is. Mean is an average. So today you're going to understand how a set of data, like this set of numbers, can be described by a single number. You and your friends are competing in a tournament at the bowling alley. In order to see which team advances, they need to know what the average score is. This is also called the mean. So, when you're looking at these, team member 1 has a score of 86 and 95, and the final score is 95. Team member 2, the final score is 87. Team member 3, the final score is 84. Team member 4, the final score is 81. Team member 5, the final score is 83. The way you find mean is easy. You add up the numbers, those numbers, you add them up, you find the sum, you have that in your notes. That's number 1. And the second thing you do, the sum is 430. Uh-oh. That's step 1. Step 2, you divide. Now, 430 came from here. This 5 came because I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers that I added together. So I added 5 numbers together. I got 430. I'm dividing 430 by 5 to find out what the average is of those bowling scores. And you have it in your notes. The mean or average was 86. It's always going to be in the middle. I have an 81 and I have a 95. The average score, when I blend them all together, is 86. Let's try another one. This one they're actually letting you use a calculator to do, so you can do this one at home. We're finding the mean or average number of lunches sold last week. We have Monday at 126, Tuesday at 168, Wednesday at 130, Thursday at 154, and Pizza Day Friday is 232. The first thing you have to do is add up those 5 numbers. You can do it on a calculator. So you need the sum. And once you get the sum, you divide the sum by the number of numbers in the set. The number of numbers in a set is this set right here. How many numbers do I have? I have 5. So show me the math. Write what the sum is next to add the numbers. And the division problem is going to be the sum divided by 5. And tell me what the mean number of lunches sold during the week is. Okay, last one. You don't have this in your notes. You need to add this to your notes. The data shows the temperature in DC collected over a 6-day period, July 2012. So there's a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 temperatures. Find the average. So I need to see the addition problem where you add these 6 numbers together, and then where you divide the sum by 6. And then all over which 2 days was there a greatest difference, and how many days were above the average. So here's what I'm going to do. Day 1, 85. Let's see if I can do this. Day 1 is 85. Day 2 is 70. Day 3 is 84. Day 4 is 91. Day 5 is 88. Day 6 is 92. Okay, I have it graphed. So you need to find the average temperature. Tell me over which 2 days was there a greatest difference in temperature, where the temperature jumped up or jumped down, the greatest amount. And then the third question is, how many days were above average? Well, I don't know until I find out what the average is. So you're going to have to tell me what the average is and then tell me how many days were above the average. So you have 3 questions to answer, and we'll check them tomorrow in class. Turn off the video. Do these 3 problems. I'm going to look for them in your notes, and we will talk about them when we see each other next. Have a mean day. Average.